Today we've got 6 different middle schools here at the Healthcare FutureReady Center, learning about different careers and occupations and going through activities to learn about what it looks like to work in healthcare someday. We're actually using our FRC high school students to teach the lesson, so it's also for our students about learning and applying what they've learned and helping others. It's ideally to help really recruit, but also help kids discover what they're interested in, what their passions are, and then hopefully someday down the road, they join us here at the FutureReady Center.
Everyone here told our counselor that we wanted to be a part of the medical field, and I did too, so that's why I'm here.
We are learning about EMTs. We learned how to put a sling on and do chest compressions.
Today they're doing activities in CNA, EKG, phlebotomy, athletic training, EMT, and surgical technology.
It's really educational for if you want to be in the medical field.
It can help you form your career, and I think it's really fun, and we make these fun activities for these kids, and it's fun all around.
For some students, it's just gaining interest. It's engaging them in learning and helping them to discover things that they're passionate about. For some students, it's really hard to get excited about education until you find those things that excite you.
So far, I've gotten to feed my friend pudding, to act like a nurse assistant, and I've also gotten to check heart rate and blood pressure and temperature. And then I did some CPR, and that was really fun.
We got the opportunity, thanks to some partnerships with the Greater Wichita Partnership, along with Wesley Medical, HCA, helped sponsor us too. So we were able to put this on with their support. We reached out to all of our middle school principals, and there was a large interest in it. And really just this first 6 schools that registered were able to come. This is our kickoff event. We hope to eventually take this out to the schools, so everything is mobile. And so that we ideally want to put this on for all of the middle school students at their middle schools, but we've got some logistics we need to work through and how we're going to make that happen. It's a big challenge, but it's fun to see everyone here and see the students learning and having fun already.